In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure organization settings in Stack. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to Stack Build and Operate. Once you have the login page open in front of you, you'll see a button labeled Next. Go ahead and click on that. This action will help you move forward to the next step in the login process. After clicking Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password. It's crucial to ensure that you input your password correctly, as this will grant you access to the platform's functionalities. Once you've entered your password, you'll see the Login button. Clicking on this button will log you into your Stack account. As you successfully log in and enter the platform, you'll be directed to your dashboard. From here, you should look for and click on Organization Info. This section of the platform contains all of the essential settings and information pertinent to your organization. Now that you are on the Organization Info page, your next click should be on Org Settings. Navigating to this section is where you'll be able to make specific changes to your organization settings. In the Org Settings, you'll first see the option to edit the organization name. This is very useful if there have been any notable changes to your organization or if you spot any spelling errors that need correction. Simply click the name field and type in the correct name of your organization. Next, there's a feature to upload a logo. Having your organization's logo displayed not only helps with company branding, but also adds a more professional appearance to your interface. Make sure to have your logo file ready and click on the upload option to add it to your organization settings. Furthermore, while you're in the settings, take a moment to scroll down and edit the organization's address. Keeping this information up to date is pivotal, especially if you've recently changed your offices or have multiple locations and need to reflect the most accurate address. Additionally, don't forget that you can update your phone number in the settings. This might sound like a minor detail, but having the correct contact information ensures that anyone needing to reach out for business purposes can do so without any hassle. Lastly, you'll find an option to add or update your organization's websites. This could include your company's main homepage or any other significant URLs that are relevant to your business operations. Adding these websites provides easy access for users to explore more about your organization right from the platform. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently manage and configure your organization settings in Stack, keeping everything accurate and up to date. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help you make the most out of your platform experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.